This part has one toolpath that cuts around the perimeter. The pocket in the middle has not been machined yet. Here's the simulation. When we show the difference, green indicates the part has been machined to size, and blue shows areas that have not been machined. The color in the corners can be misleading. We can control that display by adjusting the image quality. Image quality is set in Document Properties. The lower the resolution, the more tessellated arcs and circles become. The higher the resolution, arcs and circles are smoother. We don't want to drag it too far to the right because of the negative impact on file size, performance, and memory usage, but increasing it slightly can make a difference in SOLIDWORKS CAM. Simulate the toolpath now and show the difference. It appears much better. Thank you.